From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your afternoon update. Your weekend weather update is made possible by Caltrans District 2.
Hey folks, good afternoon. As promised, back here with you in the Weather NorCal Command Center, taking a look at what we can expect for the rest of our day today. For this afternoon, we'll be back in the upper 80s in the valley with some rumbles of thunder still looking possible, if not likely, kind of isolated from the Trinity Alps up through Siskiyou County and out towards Modoc County in the East Mountains. With those orographic lift, right? We have that moisture, we have a little bit of instability. I think today is going to be the last day of the more widespread stuff, though, compared to what we'll see over the next few days. Let's first take a look at the future cast. Next 24 hours, you can kind of see what I'm talking about here with that East Mountain stuff, even some isolated signals there in the mountains west of the valley. But again, those chances really do taper off as we head through the next, let's say 24 to 36 hours. Tomorrow, the chance still does linger out east, but it's going to be lower and it's not going to be quite so far west, right? As we head into Monday, all bets are off. We're going to be dry. Even the marine layer burns off pretty quickly here. Beautiful way to start our work week. And then honestly, through the work week, this first week of fall looks pretty good, all things considered. However, there's one little aspect in the sense that we do get a little more moisture funneling up into the valley. You'll notice here, we get a little bit of that creeping into the north Wednesday evening. So from Chico up to Red Bluff, we could see some PM showers creep in with this little funnel of moisture riding up the valley to the north. Don't think that's going to be widespread. Don't think it's going to be a washout. Just kind of want to put that on your radar. No pun intended there, as we head through the midweek there. As we head through Thursday, though, Friday as well, looks pretty fine out there. I think that system's going to spin mostly off to our east, not give us too much moisture. The main story, I suspect, will be the fact that as we head into this first week of fall, it's actually going to be warming up quite a bit here. Notice as we head, say, let's East Humboldt County, Trinity County, we go from 80s to upper 90s, even near triple digits once again by about Tuesday. In fact, I would say Tuesday is going to be the warmest day of the next 7 here across the North State. Widespread upper 60s by Tuesday there along the coast as well, even flirting with 70 there. So you can kind of see that trend as well. When you see it along the coast, you definitely know that trend is real. Mount Shasta City, same story here. Notice we got those thunderstorm chances kind of lingering at times, especially near those more mountainous areas, but we'll get back to the upper 80s with time. Again, you'll notice there is that chance of moisture. Remember how I mentioned we get that funneling up to the north on Wednesday? Not a big chance, but a chance nonetheless. As we head through the valley again, maybe a PM chance, right? That's what I was talking about here as we head through late Tuesday, maybe early Wednesday, maybe Wednesday night as well. But honestly, I don't think that's going to be too big of a deal here. So let's just go ahead and call it dry for our outdoor plans with maybe a sprinkle creeping in there. But notice those upper 90s, maybe even near triple digits coming back. Again, Tuesday, sound like a broken record. That's going to be our hottest day of the week.